Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a payment using Revolut to Poland. So what you'll need to do is basically open up your Revolut app. Then if you don't see this panel, just scroll down or scroll up. Then you will see a payments tab, click on that one. Then you will see plus icon at the top right. Click on that, and where it says a new payment, you will need to select international. And after that, you'll need to search for a country or region. So we want to select and write Poland. Select that, and then you'll need to select the slots, how much do you want to send them, and then you'll need to select which type do you want to use, a card or bank. After that, you'll need to put some info like IBAN, SWIFT code, and etc. And after that, you'll need to confirm it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.